Hi guys, good morning. Another workout day. In si Paul. And it's Saturday today, weekend. Ano lang ako. Nag-exercise. Nag-exercise lang ako ng pang glutes. Okay. And I'm also listening to my music. Kanina pa kami dito, anong oras na ngayon? Mag-alas 11 na. Dumating kami dito mga almost 10, so mga 1 hour. Ayun, nag-workout lang. Maganda ang panahon ngayon, malamig sa labas. Medyo lang, hindi masyado. Chilly. Kasi winter na sa ibang states. So, tatapusin ko lang tong workout na to guys. Ito lang ginamit ko. Ay, may weights ako dito. 7.5. Tapos nag-squat lang ako. Yung ganito. Ay, hindi ako magkikita. Ayan guys. Maganda siya dito pakiramdam sa hips. Si Paul nag-exercise ng pambraso niya. Kailangan ko rin mag-exercise ng pambraso. So, siguro mas madami na siyang nagawang exercise kaysa sa akin. Kasi kanina nakatunganga lang ako. Nasa mat ako. Sa yoga mat. Nakaupo lang ako. Tapos pa cellphone. Walang masyadong nagawa. Pero si Paul masipag siya. Ang dami na niyang workout nagawa. Oh. I'm just gonna do my arm with this one. I can use this weight then para sa braso. One set. Tingnan niyo si Paul sa likod ko. Nag-exercise din siya pang braso. Second set. Habang tumatagal, bumibigat siya. Sa pakiramdam lang. Pero same weight pa rin yung gamit ko. Oh, be careful honey. Hindi ka nang matrip ang asawa ko. May nakaharang sa daanan. So mamaya pagkatapos nito dito guys, kasi itong area na to is pang stretch lang. And then may pa konting exercise para sa glutes, ganyan. Pero lilipat kami sa kabila mamaya. Doon na yun ang mga machine. Ditong area na to walang machines. Masyado. Meron konti lang. But most of the machines nandoon kung saan tayo nag-cardio workout kanina. Ang asawa ko, kinakausap ko siya, hindi niya ako marinig. Kasi noise cancelling yung headset niya eh. Ayun naman siya sa likod ko. Okay, tatapusin ko lang to guys. And then lipat kami sa kabila mamaya. Doon side na yun. Doon papunta. Ayan, yung mga machine. Malaki kasi ang gym na to. Diba ang gym? Ito yung usual na gym na pinupuntahan namin. Konti lang tao dito. But anyway, I'll see you later. Nandito na kami sa area kung saan may mga machine guys. Atong mini-workout ni Paul, maganda to pang abs, guys. Ayan, rest. Yan. Ito naman ay leg extension, guys. So, ganyan lang siya. So, ganyan. My turn. Ako, dati ang asawa ko, 115 sa kanya, 115 pounds. Ako naman, 25 pounds lang ang kaya ko. Mabigat yan, guys, ang 115. Tapos hindi pa naman ako laging nag-i-exercise. Kaya never akong tumaas yung weight ko. I always stay the same pounds. Once a week lang po ako nag-exercise. Minsan, twice a week, pero bihira lang. Mostly, every Saturday lang, guys. So I do like that. And then 3 sets. Like 10 counts lang din every set. Ganyan. Wow. So, ito yung next exercise, guys. Maganda to sa wet po, and then sa glutes, then sa paa. So, yan lang squats na may weights. Si Paul gumamit siya ng weights. Ako hindi. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Ako na naman, guys. Palitan kami. Walang weight sa akin. Super light lang yan. How you doing? Good? Good, good.
Indian food today, right?
You're late today.
Yeah, I went to EOS first.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 2 memberships just to mix it up. Because, I mean, they have some of the machines that they took away here are over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like back stuff, core stuff. So
have you seen Matt over there at all?
I haven't seen him in a month, so we were chatting it up. But,
Okay.
Yeah. There's no, hey! Was that a Ring doorbell? What's that?
That's not. It's a video.
Oh, it looks like a doorbell though.
Yeah, 'cause
like
it's so
my
tiny.
doorbell looks just like
Yeah.
that.
So small.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I gotta give him a call, man. See how he's doing.
All right.
Yeah.
Tell him
Yeah, maybe we can watch some football together sometime,
If
man.
you get him, tell him I said hi.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Enjoy the weekend.
Enjoy, you too.
Yeah. All right. Take it easy.
Bye. They're late. You know it's not here today, Randy.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Randy. Oh, so tapos na kami mag-workout. Pupunta kami tindahan dito sa kapitbahay lang. Na right next to the gym, may Kimchi Mart, Korean supermarket. Gusto kong bumili ng isda para pritohin. So, maglalakad kami papunta doon ngayon. Ito na. Nandito na kami sa labas. So, yeah, pasok kami. Ayan, si Kimchi Mart. Ang sarap na sushi nila. May shalong bao. We don't need a cart. So, diretso lang tayo sa loob. So, I only need fish, right?
What would you need?
I got what I need. Pasok. Parang walang tao. They're closed? Oh, may music dito. Shrimp crackers. Carne. Pero diretso tayo sa Pampano Fish. Meron sila dito. Carne. Nasaan? Oh, ayun dito. Just one. Ito yung isda. Ayan, ang isda. Kailangan. Gusto ko ito. Oh, meron. Anong isda? Mackerel. This is the mackerel one. Meron squid. This one. I wanna get this one. Can you get me a... Oh, how does this work? An octopus legs, guys. Oh. Wow. Mahal to sa restaurant. And then, ito mga shrimp nila, ang lalaki. Parang gusto kong bumili ng shrimp. No? Pero may isda ako eh. Alright. For crawfish, shrimp, $9.99. Alright. May mga salmon dito na fillet na siya. May ulo ng salmon. Masarap to sa miso soup. Ganyan, may mga oh, mayroon din sila snapper. Red snapper. Yes. Tapos dito, may live fish sila dito. Lobsters. Konti lang yung lobsters nila. Oh, anong isda to? Live flounder? This is what flounder looks like? Yeah. Ayan. Ang ganda ng tindahan na to. Very clean. Ang ganda ng pagka-display nila. Super organized. Walang amoy. Mabango siya actually. So, ayan. Nakabili tayo ng goodies para magluluto ako ng sinigang. Tapos isda. Uuwi na kami sa bahay. Oh, are we going home? Yeah, because may isda. Balak sana namin mag-grocery.
Once I'm done talking to her, we're gonna go out again.
Done talking to Christine para kay Matli. Next week na yung pick up namin kay Matli. Excited! So, uwi muna kami sa bahay. And then, lalabas kami ulit mamaya sa tindahan. Ito yung likuran ng tindahan. Grocery. Korean grocery market. Luto tayo ng sinigang. Sinigang na hipon. Ayun, nakarady na yung mga gulay ko. May talong. Ayun, nakaslice na siya. Sitaw. Ayan. Tatlong gulay lang. Ito yung ito yung ang laki ng nila. Alam niyo ba? Galing Indonesia daw to na mga shrimp. Grabe ang laki. Jumbo shrimp siya. Ayan. Bumili ako ng kalahating pound lang. So, ayan ang ipansigang natin. Tapos, bok choy. Ayan. Hindi na ako bumili ng okra kasi last time nasira yung okra ko. Pero ito yung bok choy. Malinis na sila. Tapos, ano yan? Mailman. Bumili ako ng isda. Prituhin ko to. Ayan siya guys. Ang sarap yan. Oh, naku. Masarap din to magulay guys na may sabaw. Pero wag na. Sinigang na lang. Tapos, pipituhin ko tong Pampano fish. Isa lang. Hinati ko lang siya. Sa labas ako magprito. I-check natin ang pritong Pampano. Ayan. Hello. Hello, Pampano. Ikaw ba ay luto na? Oh, luto na siya, guys. It's done. Look at that. Oh, tama yung pagka-brown dito sa side. So 2 minutes more dito sa side na to. Sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, blue yung sabaw ng shrimp. So, yun lang siya. Tapos, lagyan ko na ng ano, ng paasim. Ang kanya siya magdami-dami ang pampaasim natin. Ganyan. Maglagay na rin ako ng salt. Asin. Wala na. Ano na lang, eyeball. Eyeball na lang. Wala nang estimate. Oh, ang bilis lang niya naluto, guys. Orange na yung sugpo natin. Wow. In this case, ilagay ko na ang bok choy. Ayan. Buo pa yung bok choy eh. Pati buong bok choy nalagay ko. Super bilis lang talaga ang shrimp na luluto, guys. Isang minuto, nag-orange na siya. Pangit kasi pag ma-overcook siya, magiging tough yung meat niya. Ayoko ng ganun. Gusto ko yung pagkagat ko, medyo crunchy pa siya. Yun ang tamang pagkaluto ng sugpo. Yan ang favorite ko. Nanood ng game ng aking asawa. So, yan. Naluluto na to. Tama na, guys. It's done. Madaming sabaw. Kasi dito ko yung madaming sabaw. May extra bok choy pa ako. Ito na siya. Naluto na ang pampano fish. Ay, hinahati ko siya, guys. And this is the sinigang. Look at the hipon, the sugpo. It's super big. Tapos, that's my rice. Basmati rice. Tapos, may sausawan ako dito. So, kain! Magkamay ako, guys. Kasi, why not? Diba? Mahaba nga lang ang mga kuko ko eh. Pero, gusto ko magkamay. Kamayan na. Malinis naman ang aking kamay. Naghugas ako kahapon, ha? Kahapon. So, alam niyo guys, dito sa Amerika, tuwang-tuwa na ako pag nakakain ako ng Filipino food. Kasi alam niyo naman sa household namin, hindi ako palaging nagluluto ng Filipino food. So, minsan lang talaga ako nakakain ng ganito. Kasi wala, hindi ako laging nagluluto ng ganito. So, tapos yung asawa ko naman, hindi naman siya kumakain nito. Maingat siya sa mga kinakain niya dahil sa keto diet niya. So, ako lang talaga ang kumakain ng Filipino food. So, ako lang din ang nagluluto. Kaya, tuwang-tuwa ako pag nakapagluto ako, guys. Proud na proud ako sa sarili ko. Kaya lagi ko siya pinapakita sa vlog ko. Kahit ordinary. So, basmati rice. Tama yung pagkatimpla ko ng sausawan. Yung sauce. Oh, so good. Tara sa PetSmart, guys. Bili tayo ng pagkain ni Matli. Ayan. Pasok tayo dyan. Malapit na siya sa bahay namin. Nag-drive kami papunta dito. Oh, medyo malamig. Nalalamigan ako sa hangin. Okay. Ayan siya. PetSmart. Pet lovers. This way. There's a lot of treats.
Yeah, but these, I've been looking like which ones are good. And
Which ones are good? Which ones are healthy?
I'm going to give you some ideas. That's a good brand, Old Mother Hubbard.
Which one? This one? Old Mother Hubbard?
There's the puppy one.
It looks good though.
See that apple?
That's an apple flavor? Oh yeah, it says peanut butter. It says peanut butter, apples, and carrots with molasses.
See, I don't know. These might even be too big for him. There's like...
They have this one, guys. O, tingnan. Peanut butter. Ang cute lang. Tapos, meron sila nito yung na beef and sweet potato. I can cook this. You know? The treats.
Something like this, I would have to break in half. Like, that's too big.
That's too big for a baby. Excited. Matli has so many toys already. More toys. Oh, may pahula-hop pa sila, oh. Nangyari, wala kami nabiling pagkain. Mga laruan. Mga laruan na nabili. Next aisle. For more toys. Oh, this is the food. These are the food, honey. Oh, the bowls. Containers. So, itong buong PetSmart to, guys. So, for ano lang talaga, for pets, for dogs and cats. And, ang maganda dito, pwede ka magdala ng aso ng pet mo. Yung pinuntahan natin, pet ko last week, hindi pwede magdala ng pet. Dito, pet friendly, pwede ka magdala ng pet mo. So, next time, pag vaccinated na yung baby Matli namin, pwede namin siyang dalhin dito mag-shopping. Ano ito? Panglinis. Potty training spray. What is this? Honey, look! Look at this potty training. Wow, may diaper. May diaper din sila. They've got diapers here. May diaper sila. Look, there's potty training spray. What does it mean? There's
What is the potty
you know
what is the potty training smell?
I know. I don't
What is
know. You know, smell it. But they got washable.
Oh, okay, that's what
What?
it is. It tells you. It helps you.
It helps what? Helps what?
You you spray this where you want them to go to the bathroom. Like, actually, this would be good. Size of 2-inch circle. Lead the puppy to the spot. Allow the puppy to sit there. But this is an approved place. That's funny.
What?
How this works. Also,
So
get
many.
it. Get
You
it.
sure?
Yes,
Get it?
get it.
I don't want to get it. Honey, let's see how he do the potty, and then we'll get it. But did you see the diaper for him? We can put No, we're not gonna put diapers on him. We'll teach him how to do the potty. We'll potty train him. Ang cute nito. These are the shoes. Ang cute ng mga sapatos nila. Oh my God. Tingnan niyo, oh. These are outdoor dog boots. Oh my God, may pabutas-butas pa sila eh. I think maganda to sa beach, yata. May chains, gold. Wow. Tingnan natin ang binili ng aking asawa para kay Matli. Nakabili na kami ng pagkain niya. At saka mga treats. Kasi yun talaga pinupunta natin sa tindahan. Ito, pang ano ba to? Oh, pwede pala ilagay ang treats sa loob dyan, guys. Tapos kakagatin niya yan. So, yan. Laruan din siya na pwede paglagyan ng treats. Tapos, ito yung treats niya na nabili namin. Perfect to pang training. Ganyan. Ano pa ba? More toys. Orange. Ayan. What else? Oh, bumili ako nito. Lagayan ng poop bag niya. Tapos poop bag niya. Ayan. So, ayan. Para pag, dalhin ko siya sa labas. Tapos, tatain siya. Ito. May plastic dito sa bag na to. Kabit lang to sa leash niya. Ayan. Tapos, Ito, ito. Ito yung food niya. Ayan, isang bag. Pang small. So, ayan, kompleto na. Ready na kami pagdating niya next week. Next Saturday, nandito na siya sa bahay.
I'll put this up there.
Checks niya. Do you need a receipt?
No. Here, give me the receipt.
Oh, here. And then we need to cut this thing. Sorry.
Here. Let's cut it.
Yeah.
Hand wash this, baby.
I'll just hand wash this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'll help you.
Here. Just cut that thing. Alright. This is big. Alright, where's the other side?
I got it. It's right here.
Okay. There's more. Oh, look at this. This went in.
What
This
am
is,
I-
you know why? I don't like the, if it's like, oh, okay. It's
not
good.
in,
It's not in.
in.
So you have to cut it from here. You just have to be careful.
Well, here, let me cut it here.
Where? Got it right there.
No.
Is it okay? Right there. You cut it right there. Did you hold it? Got it?
Baby, let me
Oh,
cut
it's
it
so
from
easy.
here.
No.
Let me cut it
it
from
there.
here.
You know what? Let me cut
Let
it.
me do it. I
honey.
got it. Who's holding it? There.
Alright.
Get the other end. Throw it in here. Give me it. Is that it?
Yep. Oh, this one right here. First bag.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. Okay, it's wrong. Yeah. And then the toy.
No, it stays in the.
It stays there? I don't think
It's
so. Oh, I have
easier.
to wash it. I have to clean that. He's gonna be biting this. And then the bag. We don't need a bag. It's poop bag.